All right, guys. So I was just checking out some messages here, and it looks like if you are on PearlHash, which I have my A2000s, I'm also doing the test and other things here. There is a mandatory miner update. So I'm going to update my stuff in Hive OS and kind of show you how to get it done because it is pretty simple here. So we have released a new mandatory miner version, changelog optimization for all cards, test and other feedback, please. Hash rate fluctuation is fixed, and then added proper support for data center cards, including the H100, A100, and the H200, and others. Some hash rate examples from the optimized version: the H100 is around 675 to 700 terahash. That is insane. And the RTX 5090 is around 340 to 350 terahash. And here for the rest of the cards, please give it a shot and share your feedback with us. So also, if you're using this miner and you update here, obviously it is mandatory. Let me know some of your hash rates and what you get on your cards down in the comment section. But it's pretty simple here. Simply go in to their website here, and then we'll just click on mine. And here is how you're going to update. So you can download your miner here if you're running in WSL or something, or you can click up top here for Hive OS. So I'm going to do this for Hive OS here right quick. So European and US version, we're simply going to come into here and copy this right here. And you can see it says Pearl Miner version 10. I think the last one I have is 8, but I'm not 100% sure. So I'm going to come into here. I'm just going to click up top. We're going to go to flight sheets, and it's very fast and simple. So we're just going to simply copy in from clipboard, allow that. There we go. Now I got to select the wallet we already have. Remember, I did a how to mine video before. If you don't know how to mine this from scratch, go check that one out, to PearlHash and stuff. You should have your wallet and everything ready to go. So now I'm just going to click on my GUI2 wallet here for this flight sheet, and I'm going to have to do another one, obviously, for my pool test as well. Everything here should all be set to go. As you see, a simple paste it in, and we're all good. I'm going to create that flight sheet. Bam, done. So I'm just going to take this one now, and I'm going to redo it again. Actually, I'm just going to actually duplicate this because I want to make one for my test. So now I duplicated it, and I want to just edit this one here. And now I'm going to put this one in for test 3060 Ti PearlHash. Did I do? Okay, I'm just going to adjust it. And I got to learn how to spell. So test 3060 Ti PearlHash. You know, now I got to change my wallet into the PearlHash right there. Wallet for testing. Now I'm just going to update that one. There we go. Everything is now all done. Now I'm just going to engage my miner. So here we have Octominer 2, which is my A2000 rig. So I'm going to update this one to my GUI wallet. I don't want to mess this thing up and, start making my test results not accurate by putting my A2000 rig with the 3060 Ti. We definitely don't want that. And now we're going to come into my test rig here with the latest 3060, which is this one, the Pearl Miner version 8. And now we're going to adjust this one to my PearlHash test as well. So right there. So let's just keep an eye here. We're at 45 terahash. Let's see if that changes at all. But there we go. Everything should be working. I just want to SSH in to make sure it is. And we're going to go to miner here. And then once that engages, there we go. It's downloading, loading up. Good to go. Here we go. Let's just see if we can get some hash rates here. Load it up on GPU, 42.2. Let it do a couple updates here to see if we can pass that 48 or something, or 45 or whatever the heck it was. I already forgot. But actually, it might still show it. Yeah, so we're at 45, 45.7. So we're about the same amount of hash rate here, but it's supposed to fix the fluctuations, which should help your probability and stay more accurate. So that's about it, guys. There is a mandatory update here available for your GPUs here if you're mining on PearlHash. I just showed you how to do it in Hive OS fast and easy. So go update your miners if you haven't done so yet, or you don't know about this. Remember, this did just release. It's 5:51 p.m. on my time. It's 6:11 for here. So this was like not even, it was about 20 minutes ago at the time of recording. It was about 10 minutes I started recording after I seen the update, because a lot of you guys might not follow their Discord, or you might be late, or you don't just check on it all the time, but you watch my video. So I just wanted you to stay up to date and know what's going on. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. And again, give me your network hash rates, your GPU hash rates, and power consumptions in the comment section. And I better point one more thing out. Over on the profit calculator here, I did do some updates here. So we did add the 5060 that someone did request during our live stream earlier. I also added this in right here so you could build your own rig. So for an example, let's take a 4060, say you got 6 of those, and then we're going to add that in. And then say maybe you got, A2000s, we're going to put like say 4 of those in as well. You can make your rigs and kind of see how much they would be making right now based on that. So that's another feature I just added in here as well, which is called the rig builder. So hopefully that helps you out. Anyway, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Links and everything will be down in the description. Rabid out.